Have you been to this restaurant before? Yes, I have been here before. How often have you been here? Pardon me? How many times have you been here before? I have been here at least 5 times. What did you say? I have been here many times. Here comes the waiters. Let's order. Okay, let's ask the waiters for the menu.
Hello, I will be your waiter this evening.
Good evening.
Can I get you the menu?
Yes. Please bring us a menu.
Would you like to order something to drink while you wait for the menu?
Sure, I will have a beer. What about you? No, I am fine for now. I usually do not drink more than 1 beer.